What's up, Subaru fam? Can you see it? Do you know what this is? I got ceramic tint put on Bluey, guys. Look at that. Look at that. She's dirty. All right, so I got ceramic tint. I have 70% in the windshield, 30% in the front driver's side, and then the back, so the back seats and the trunk are 18%, which is all legal here in Texas. So I am excited. It has done numbers. I didn't have a visor for a really long time, but it really did keep the car nice and cool, and so I really love it. So ceramic tint is just a different kind of tint. It is meant to also block out the UV rays or the heat, so it's essentially supposed to make the car cooler. And I will say I do feel a temperature difference, especially when my car sits outside. As you can see, these are the different coloring or shading options, or like percentage that's available. And my husband's hand is what you're seeing, and he's currently testing, and the difference is it's 70%, and then the difference is what the regular tint is versus the ceramic, and if you can feel the heat from the light bulb. And I will be honest, it made a huge difference. And I didn't think it would. I didn't think that ceramic tint meant that much. It was double the cost, so I would be mindful before you drop that money. But it definitely it's definitely made a difference in this Texas heat. So be sure to let me know if you're thinking about something like ceramic tint, if you want some, if you have any questions, or if you want me to do like a temperature test. I don't plan on doing one, but if you want to see one, I can definitely just let me know below. All right, thanks. Quick, short, down and dirty video. Thanks everybody. I'll see you next time. Bye.